All right. So we had a little hiccup and we have to fix that. What I want to do is give you a little insight on the changes that Tech Admin did last night, which really appreciated. Thank you, Gabe. He was really good for that. Okay, so let me take you to this sharing screen. Let me get rid of this. So, oh, before anything else, I just wanted to know that in 6.1, I added some more commands, bash prompt commands. Um, Here's the Control D for terminate an input in Mac, Control Z and input in Windows. Cat if you want to see if with the file name, if you want to see the content of a file in Mac. Type is in Windows. Matt helped me with that one. Also, he came up with some of you might have problems with if you're in Windows getting this working right here. You have to find the path, set the path to where your JDK is. So you can access these files anywhere from in the computer. Okay. All right. So let's go back to uh, wait. Yes. Uh, so if we are over here, oh yeah, sorry, I got a little bit distracted over here. Uh, so the way to fix the problem that your computer terminal, not the computer terminal, because the JDK is there. It's just that there are high restrictions since the devices are out of the school's setting, so the restrictions are higher. So that means that you won't be able to get the JDK that came with BlueJ. That means that we have to install a JDK that you can have access to it. So Gabe, what he did is he actually added to the self-service. So go to the self-service by doing self, and that should come up. Press enter. Look for my apps over here. And here is what you have to install. You click on that. I'm not going to do that because I have my own already and I don't want to mess up my computer. I don't know why it might happen. But you need to do this. You install it. Once that's installed, right, then you go back to whatever we were doing before. And just as a refresher, if you haven't watched the video, when you first open actually let me close this one, open a new terminal, right? I can have terminal. And so when you get there, if you look at it, you are at the top of the directory. And we need to get to where your files for the project is, or are, I should say. So to do that, and the easiest way, and that I believe that works also for Windows. Somebody, a Windows user told me that, one of the students, I think it was Guillaume. So you go to terminal, you type CD, which means change directory. Ensure you have that space. Grab the folder and drag it right in here. Once you're here, press enter, and you do ls if you're on Mac, dir if you're in Windows. And here's the files. Take a look. The same files we have over here, they're here. Okay. I have some other things that you don't have. Once you did this, uh, what you probably have is most likely, let's see, you're missing some things that I have over here. So ideally, this is probably what you have. What I would like you to do is to go to, let me put this over here, go to 6.2, click on the website over here. That will take you to the lesson itself. And you need to create all these files. Create them over here. So all you have to do is copy and paste them onto this. So you select this. When I say copy and paste, and I mean select this. And so you go over here, you say new class, blah, blah, blah. And then open it up. And replace it with this one. And if you do Command S, let me put it 2 over here so it doesn't mess up my, you don't put it 2. I'm just doing that because I don't want it to mess up my project that already has it. If you do Command S, take a look at what it did over here. It actually changed that gibberish name that I gave to the name of this particular file class. Compile it, and it should work. So you do that for 4 of them. We have 1. The next one is 20 questions. Random seq, which is sequence, average, and I think that's it. Yeah, that's all we need. And if you look at my project, I'm going to close this and delete that one. Those are the 4 that I have over here. Let me get rid of this. I don't want it to mess up my project. This is what you should have. Wait, once you did that, I want you to do the following. The JDK has a little bit of a different version of the Java that was the Blue Jay maybe. And I'm only guessing that that's what the problem is. So you're going to come over here and you're going to do Java C and start with std in, actually out first, because I think out is not dependent on in Java. Compile it. It should be nice and quiet, still no messages, not anything. Do up arrow key, go to the left and change this to in. Press enter. Again, there should be a quiet compilation. And we need the standard draw. std draw. You might get a deprecation message. That's okay. I think it's just version discrepancies, but it still will work once you have over here. What I want you to do next is the following. You do Java space. Oh wait, let's compile it too, because it might be a different compilation somehow. Java triangle, Java compile triangle. What did I do? Oh, yes. What do I need? That Java. When you compile, you needed that Java, right? Always. And then I'm going to just do Java triangle. I mean, I could have typed it in. Okay, so this should give me that particular image. There you go. Once you're here, you're ready to work on this. We're going to do it together. If you are one of my peers that haven't seen this yet, but if you are one of the peers that we actually finish in class, you have to finish it on your own. And remember, I'm available for office hours anytime you want to. If you need to do it whenever it is, office hours is not available, just send me an email, right? All right, so once you're at this point and you have no errors or anything, that means you're set to go. If you do have errors, it is your obligation to contact me and let me know what the problem is. All right, see you soon. Bye.